transition room. We'll try to add few transition and see how does it work. Here you can see the variety of transition option which PowerDirector provided for us, 2D, 3D, and there are many other options. You can explore all this by trying it. I just added so simple, right? So interesting as well. These all are predefined transitions which are available with PowerDirector. We can even download it from the PowerDirector website. There are different with free downloads available out there.